So today we are going to be looking at skeletal animation with Anima2D. So what is Anima2D? Anima2D is a free asset store package acquired by Unity Technologies, which allows users to seamlessly author 2D skeletal animations in the Unity editor using 2D bones and inverse kinematics. So basically what this means is that instead of having to draw every single frame in a sprite-based animation, we can now turn our sprites into meshes and do sort of 3D style bone-based rigging of those meshes, and then just animate the bones and have the sprites follow along. So it's a really interesting workflow that I think has a lot of potential productivity gains and also some cool stylistic opportunities. So our learning objectives today are that we will learn how to create sprite meshes, configure 2D bones, apply IK or inverse kinematics to a 2D character, and also animate the rigged character. So we have assets to download for this session. This includes the required Anima2D assets, so you don't need to go to the asset store to download them. You can just grab the package linked on your screen at ole.unity.com/Anima2D. So, demo time. What we're going to look at first is this is the completed version of the character that we're going to create. So here we can see we have the character all rigged up, including with IK targets for the hands, right? And if we go ahead and enter play mode, we can see this sort of silly animation that I made here, super simple. Any real animators, please forgive me for my crimes against animation. But you can see the system working, right? You can see that the arms are stretching and deforming. The body is kind of reacting in a interesting way based on the skeleton. And we can see what that looks like with the skeleton as well. So we're going to look at how to create this from a collection of sprites. We're going to do the rigging. We're going to do the IK and all the processes in between. So super cool, super interesting stuff. Grab the assets if you haven't already and follow along. I'm using Unity 2017.3, which is the latest version, and I encourage you to grab that and check that out if you haven't already.